You want justice? I'll give you justice. Arizona style justice. Now, in Maricopa County, Arizona, we follow the letter of the law. And the letter of the law spells justice. M-O-N-E-Y. That's a good one, isn't it? Yeah. Now that ain't right. We have laws. Here, I am the law. Don't you ever forget it. Now, here in Maricopa County, we got ourselves a machine. If you can't afford a lawyer, you are ripe for the picking. It will pick you up, chew you up, and spit you out. Nah, it ain't meant to be personal, but sometimes it can be. It's the same machine. Nah, in family court, it's pretty dang easy. We find a lady who's on the dole, getting welfare of some sort, food stamps, access, and we ask her where her old man is. And she don't tell us. We quit giving her that food. So she tells us. And we go send him an order to appear. Now, most of these guys, they can't afford no lawyer. They're barely making it by themselves. In fact, they probably left this lady 2 years ago and have still been supporting their children, just haven't got any way of showing that they've been supporting their children. Now, when this poor sucker arrives at that hearing, unprepared, we give him the lowdown. We accuse him of being deadbeat. We tell him he should be paying this much money in support. It's a state guideline, and we fudge a little, I think. Yeah, just a little bit. A lot bit, I bet you. The idea, and the hell with the guidelines, is to get as much money out of this poor sucker as we can get. And so that's what we do. And if we can get him to agree on a stipulation, we got him by the short hairs for sure. Now, the guidelines say that we cannot push a man into poverty. And that means we cannot reduce his income below the federal poverty level of $903 per month. Well, that is, unless he agrees to it. And then we got ways around that, too, if he don't. Ha! Now, if we browbeat this poor bastard into accepting a stipulation, we got him hook, line, and sinker. But if we can't, what we do is we go back and we attribute what we think he should be making for an income, not what he's making, but what he should be making for an income, and we use that to figure out how much he should be paying. Now, 3 years ago, some construction workers are making some dang good money. They ain't making that much money now, but we can show. And that is when we hit him with the big surprise. We actually say, now, you got to go back and pay that amount for all the time you haven't been paying. And that could be 2, 3 years down. That could be thousands of dollars. It could be $20,000. And we add that onto his arrears. And we put a ridiculous high interest rate on it. It's a 10% per month. This poor sap has not got a chance. He's got to add that on to his payment every month now. He's already just squealing. Now he's screaming.